Exmoor farmers have a saying: if you can't see Dartmoor, it's raining on Dartmoor. If you can see Dartmoor, it's going to rain on Dartmoor. They make a very good point. Whether it's a sudden shower that catches you as you leave the house, or the constant drizzle that we call October, we live in a very soggy place. Of course, it's easy to complain about this weather, but take a minute to picture the moor, without the green, without the lush trees and the rushing rivers, without the tiny animals bustling in the hedgerows. Without the rain, without this, none of those things would be here.
Any visitor to Dartmoor knows that the moors can offer the wealth of all four seasons in a single day. But it is this unique climate that encourages such diverse natural habitats and wealth of species. Around 2,000 millimetres of rain falls on Dartmoor each year, feeding the mires, streams, rivers and reservoirs dotted throughout this exceptional landscape. Water not only allows for wildlife to flourish on Dartmoor, it also brings scores of people looking for adventure, excitement and recreation, pursuing an ever-expanding number of hobbies and sports. Ensuring that people use the moors safely and considerately, and that the spaces are preserved for wildlife and for future generations, is one of the main driving forces behind the Dartmoor National Park Authority. Dartmoor owes its beauty to the trickling streams, lush grasslands and vast marshes, the dense forests and open plains. Each of these owe their existence to the constant flow of water from the sky through the land, and for its magnificence, we owe Dartmoor our thanks.